everyone, it's me Ice. I hope you're doing well. It is around 10 a.m. I'm making breakfast and today I wanted to show you my favorite coffee drink that I make every day when I get home. So I will show you. Okay, so this morning I'm having some Atlantic salmon, some Trader Joe's flatbread, Indian style flatbread. I'll have half of it. And I have some Alexander eggs here. These are pretty pricey. So, and I will show you, I love this by the way from Trader Joe's. I highly recommend it. Okay guys, so you're gonna definitely need a mason jar for this one. And you're gonna need a frother. I got this on Amazon. It cost me like 15 bucks, actually $9.99 I believe, but these are really good, so you're gonna need this as well. Okay guys, so I have Seattle Espresso. This is my favorite coffee brand, the Seattle Espresso. I don't know which one I got specifically, but this one is, it just smells like amazing coffee. Like, you feel like you're at home. This is one of my favorite coffees right here. And I keep it in a glass container. Because guys, you know that I use the Mr. Coffee machine. I got the ice maker and it also makes hot coffee. And I got it on Amazon. What is this? I got this one, Mr. Coffee, so it can make hot and cold. So this is my favorite. So you have a scooper here on the side, and then you have the buttons here that says hot brew. I don't know if you can see it, hot brew and over ice. You can always add more later if you need to. When you get your frother, okay guys, so we're done. Add as much ice as you need. That's the machine going. So I'm gonna take my oat milk here. Okay you guys, so that's how I make my coffee, and here is the moment of truth. Again, if it's not to your liking, you can always add whatever amount that you desire. So let's try this. Yeah, this is really good. I love it. This is my favorite coffee that I make every day. Every time I come home, I'm always looking forward to making myself a cup of coffee. Okay you guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick video on how I make my coffee and just a little mini update on stuff. Remember to follow me on TikTok. I've been uploading there. And let me know if you guys want to see anything else. I have been looking at other makeup brands that I want to purchase from, like Isla, Rare Beauty, and more perfume. I've been really into perfume, so please let me know what you guys want to see. So make sure to subscribe. I appreciate you. I thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.